If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then here's what you can do in order to try to solve these issues. First of all, we're gonna go to settings and open connections. Of course, remember to check if the AirPlay mode is not enabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and this can cause your Bluetooth feature to not work properly or at all. Another thing that we can do is simply turn off and turn back on Bluetooth. This simple reset allows you to refresh Bluetooth, and this might help you in some cases, of course. Besides that, if you already have your Bluetooth device in the list of paired devices, what you can do is you can simply tap on this setting and you can unpair the device completely. So we can remove it from our phone and then try to pair it again. So in the meantime, you can turn off your Bluetooth device, turn it back on, put it into the pairing mode if possible. If not, then make sure that it is not connected to anything else, and then you should be able to find it in the list of available devices. You can also press this scan button in order to refresh the list. So let's wait a couple of seconds and let's see if we can actually find it. There we go. So we can now tap in order to pair. Now, besides that, what you can also do is, like I mentioned, make sure that the device is not connected to any other device, as this can cause some issues with pairing correctly. For example, your Bluetooth device might want to connect to your older device and something might interrupt in the process. And so in case you want to totally make sure that nothing else is connected, you can try to perform a force restart. I mean, not force reset, the factory restart, factory reset actually, of your Bluetooth device, or hard reset. And unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to perform hard reset of your Bluetooth device, as usually these devices have their own ways to do so. So you want to check a manual most likely in order to find out how to do so. And once you perform the factory reset, you might want to try to pair your Bluetooth device again. However, if that didn't help as well, if you still cannot connect your Bluetooth device or it's not connecting properly, what you can do is you can go back to settings, scroll all the way down and open general management, then over here open reset, and after that you should be able to find reset Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. So you want to select this option and perform the reset. Unfortunately, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth cannot be separated, so if you decide to reset Bluetooth, you will also reset Wi-Fi, and this means that you will have to reconnect your Wi-Fi networks. And once you reset these settings, of course, you will have to pair your Bluetooth device again, so just go back to the Bluetooth settings over here and pair your device again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.